Sammy, is this a new bubblegum tape recipe?
Yep, I want to create a new iconic Hubba Bubba flavor.
Maybe we'll try to mix real tastes,
I didn't think about that. I need to write that down.
What for? We'd better start making it right now.
Whoa. And how are we gonna mix them?
By tasting them. We need a good dispenser to present all your favorite tastes.
Got it. You're asking me to make a new craft.
Are you gonna refuse?
No way. Hi, guys. Welcome to our unbelievable, spectacular bubblegum cooking episode.
But first, we'll start with crafting, Sammy. Don't forget that.
It's a lot similar to cooking anyway.
And here we have ingredients, tools, and even coloring. Not edible, though. Now let's make a cardboard pancake. Here we go.
But it should have uneven edges, Sue. You always cook them like that.
But this time, it'll have a perfect round shape. Let's cut it out. Carefully.
Just a moment. Come on, Sue. Push.
Great! This one was the easiest part. Guys, are you ready for the next level?
I know I'm ready.
Wow, Sammy, are you Superman now? Did you come to rescue us?
What? No, it means Slime Sam, and I came to help you.
Great. Then you can make a copy of this piece and the previous one.
No, this won't do.
Oh, well then maybe I'll find another way.
Aha! And this Snapchat filter makes me look awesome.
Oh, Sam, seems like Hubba Bubba can wait then.
No, I just got distracted for a moment.
Okay, then help me with the openings for bubblegum tapes, buttons, and a speed regulator.
Slime Sam is here for friends, crafts, and Hubba Bubba tape.
Sam? He snuck out again.
You don't trust me at all, Susan. Well, I brought you two big surprises.
Wow, thanks, Super Slime. It's great. Big circles are done. It's time for the smallest ones. We'll make 3 reels, one for each taste of the bubblegum, and place them inside our large-sized dispenser.
Sorry, but you won't fit. Oh well, maybe next time.
Sammy, we have a problem here. We should only choose 3 flavors.
I picked the original one. All-time classic.
And I want to try the berry taste. It's a mix itself. The coin will pick the last one, heads for Coke and tails for raspberry.
Susan, listen to me. We gotta choose Coke.
There's no need to hypnotize me, Sammy. Let's pick it if you like it more. Wow, we're gonna have 18 feet of bubble gum in one packaging.
Whoa, so much gum.
Guys, get ready for the awesome finale.
Don't be sad. You'll be my model for the dispenser. Let's go. Guys, check this out. They look just the same, don't they?
Sammy, you did great. I can't wait to test how our dispenser will work.
And I want to taste that berry cola strawberry miracle.
And I hope you'll leave a bite for me, too. And the first mechanism is half ready. It already has a motor to turn the reel, but we need one more thing. Nurse, a button.
There you go, Doc. And I prepared different colors for each reel.
Awesome. And this goes right here.
The most difficult part next.
Yep, we need to connect the wires.
Guys, you need an assistant for it.
Adults are the best. Since, they're likely to have some experience in this. This goes here. And some hot air will help us set it. Woohoo! The operation is done. Thank you, everybody.
Guys, did you know I can time travel? Come with me. Holy cannoli! Perfect timing!
Yeah, this part is very important. We need to connect all mechanisms in one electric circuit this way.
Okay, I need to digest this information. Are we gonna do the same with motors?
Yep, so watch and repeat, guys. And Sammy, I need a piece of your tail.
Fine, slimes are better without tails anyway.
Here we go. And now comes the last ingredient.
Are you sure? These guys can't agree with you, Sue.
Okay, then we have 2 more stages. Let's attach the red wire to the speed regulator and secure it with a screwdriver.
So you don't want to work with a speed regulator, right? Aha! And how do you feel about this?
Okay, the counseling is finished. Let's work.
Hey, wires have their issues too.
Well, it doesn't look like they have problems anymore.
Fine. At least I have stuffed toys for my psychological games.
And the last one is a battery. Nothing will work without it. Since as all wires are attached to the speed regulator, the battery should be there too. Like this.
It's like a factory where all parts of the mechanism work together.
And this thing goes to the lowest opening, there.
It's time to take some backstage photos. Sue, show this piece from the other side.
Here it is. 1, 2, 3.
Shiver me chatters, it's awesome! All done, thanks.
Guys, stay tuned. Photo shoot is finished, but our craft is still in process.
This piece is so long!
Yeah, 'cause it'll wrap around the whole machine.
But it's not as long as Hubba Bubba tape.
We could try to make a craft with a bubblegum tape. What do you think, Sam?
Or we could invent a new fashion. Yummy clothes.
That sounds crazy. Guys, would you use a bubblegum dispenser for it?
Give us a thumbs up if you would. My bubblegum fashion collection needs your votes.
I'd give you my vote, Sammy. But don't forget about the craft while launching your campaign. By the way, we've almost finished. We'll go all around.
Ugh, come on, it didn't work.
I guess cardboard is more useful in some cases. And now we'll carefully add more glue to secure the backside.
Looks like you're decorating a cake.
Today, everything is associated with cooking.
Hey, Sue, I think we should put small circles together on the sides.
Then first, let's collect all the ingredients. We need some pieces of cardboard and purple paint. A magic move. And here are new decor pieces.
What did I miss? Oh, no, I need to cut cardboard fast.
Here we go. Phew! All pieces are in their places.
Not yet. Without these strips, our dispenser won't look like the original one. Woo!
Easy, Sam. Take a deep breath. We can fix it right now.
Did I cut out enough of them?
Let's see. We'll glue these pieces on the upper and lower parts of the dispenser.
Front and back. Whew, it's a real chef's kiss.
Well, are you satisfied now?
Totally. Let it go, Sue.
Uh-oh. The dispenser wants to run away. Stop, stop. We need a stand for it.
I knew I've spent so much time with Hubba Bubba packages for a reason.
Great, Sammy. I think this one is a support, right? But why is it blue?
Yeah, about the color. It's a long story. I have the best intuition. Purple, I'll find you. Blue? Well, alright. Maybe it's my slimy fate.
Anyway, this color will match purple perfectly.
Phew! I mean, it was my intention in the first place.
Okay, here is the first support. And here's the second one. The stand's done. Let's place the dispenser. Sammy, do you need my help?
I got it, thanks. I better take 10 small packages next time.
Guys, everything's ready for a test. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, Chef Sam, are you ready for our taste test?
Sure, I even put on my party mustache for it.
Then try this strawberry Coke berry mix.
Strawberry first? Too boring.
What about this one? First the cola taste, then the original one, and then the berry mix.
Approved! This recipe will change the world!
Guys, did you like our craft today? Give us a thumbs up and create your own bubblegum recipes.
And don't forget